Okay.
It's gonna be great.
Oh god.
I believe in you. I
You?
couldn't do this, but you can.
Oh, I did it!
Yeah.
Okay, let's add onion.
Look
Oh
at that
god.
big burger. Yeah, it's hard to hate it because it's still a delicious
Mac.
Big Mac.
Yeah.
What am I gonna say? Ew.
Yeah.
Never.
It really doesn't look like mochi when there's flax in it.
Yeah.
They do look like just little glazed donuts.
Yeah.
So fun. It's fine.
No, it's not. What's up? It's Kat and Deb from Two Martin Girls. Welcome back to another video. It's TikTok time.
TikTok time!
That's right.
I also don't know what video is coming out first, so we're in a new kitchen. We filmed two today. I don't know which one comes out first. I actually think this one comes out first.
All right, we are in the new kitchen.
Yeah.
Half of our set.
Yes.
Don't look on the other side.
Definitely don't.
It's normal, but you can't see it. That's all
There's
we'll
nothing weird back there.
say. But we've got the rest going pretty good.
Yeah. All right, so we're doing TikTok recipes again today.
That's right. That's the time. It's that time of the month.
The time of the month where all we crave is TikTok recipes.
Yikes.
Actually, I don't crave any. Actually, I do crave one of these recipes.
Basically, where we find interesting recipes on TikTok and we're like,
Yeah, I gotta try that.
is this actually good?
Yeah.
Or is this just talk?
Or is this, yeah, just TikTok? Or is this just so outrageous that people are like, no way?
Or is it so bad it's good?
Yeah.
So we're making 3 recipes.
Yeah. We're gonna do it's called a Big Mac wrap.
Big Mac wrap.
I would call it more of a quesadilla than a wrap. I mean, and quesadilla is loose because quesadilla is not.
It's a Big Mac in a wrap.
Yeah. And then we're gonna do some
Baked?
baked oats.
Oats. The oats are getting baked.
Yeah. And then we're gonna do some mochi donuts.
The range. The range.
We're gonna start with the Big Mac wrap,
Naturally.
naturally, and then go into maybe, I don't know, maybe the mochi donuts, then the oats, because I gotta bake and we're baking something right now.
Yeah. So we're gonna just get going on.
Make some Big Macs.
I feel like we'll get everything prepped and then
Yeah.
we'll see the assembly and
Yes.
we will see how this thing cooks.
Yes. So
It's-
you want to make some mac sauce?
Yes, I
Alright. I will cut up some onion. Are we making one of these?
do. I think
Okay, so I won't cut a lot of onion.
just smush it on there. Yep. Is it fun?
It's kind of.
It looks great.
Does it?
What do you mean?
Like, I mean, it looks like how it's supposed to
It's a
look.
dream.
It's a dream.
Oh no, what do you mean gross? It's fine. Yeah, okay, you're really smoothing it out there.
Trying to get to the edge. All right.
Alright, we're ready.
Okay.
Slap it in there.
That's gonna be difficult.
I don't think so. Just slap it down.
Okay.
Don't
like
miss.
high five the pan.
Yeah, don't miss. You're amazing.
Okay, so this just cooks. Let's watch this again. Is it enough underneath?
It looks
dark.
more. I feel like
All right. Let's try
you're
this.
gonna try it. It's gonna work.
Okay.
It's gonna be great.
Oh god.
I believe in you. I
You?
couldn't do this, but you can.
Oh, I did it!
Yeah.
Okay, let's add onion.
Look
oh
at that
god.
big burger.
We're gonna add onion and cheese. The onion's not really sticking to it like it did his.
Well, the cheese will have to hold it.
Yeah. This is really interesting. I don't.
This
I think
you
that's-
decided this.
Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking.
The cheese will solve everything.
Yeah, totes.
We haven't even gotten to the best part.
The mac sauce.
The lid.
Right. It's like, I don't know what you meant. Okay. Lots of cheese.
Okay,
Now put a lid on your pan.
we didn't have a lid big enough. That's our bad. It'll do the job.
But yeah, we just need to steam the chips.
Yeah, you just want to lock in that heat.
Yeah.
And we're not locking it in, we're just like asking it to mostly
And it's like
stay.
a bonus thing holder.
Yeah.
Whatever
Gonna
that's
get
called.
hot.
The spatula.
It's done.
Because it's really golden
Oh,
down
because
there,
of
you
the-
know?
all the
yeah.
oil,
It
too.
cooked really quickly, so
okay,
I'm gonna move
it's
it on
fine.
to there.
Everything's fine. It looks like tried to make a pizza.
Okay, then what did he put next?
Oh,
Pickles. Then. We'll
and
do the mac
sauce.
sauce first. And then we'll put pickles on top.
Sorry, do you want a spoon for that? I don't have one.
Sorry, did you need a spoon? Because I can't get you one.
Bad. It's gonna be hard to spread on that cheese, huh?
Yeah,
It'll be fine.
it's fine.
It's gonna fold over anyway.
Yeah, I'm not really that concerned.
It's going really well.
It really is. Next time, I don't think I should pick the TikTok things. They should be off limits. And then lettuce, and that's it,
I
right?
think that's all that we have left. We didn't prep anything else, so you don't have anything.
So I hope it's only lettuce.
You can't add anything else. Okay, you're folding it. This. Yep, looks like the video.
Okay, let's cut this.
Whoa.
Cut it into quarters, I guess. 'Cause this is like a lot.
I don't know. I think you just gotta cut it in half.
Are you ready to eat this?
Look at that folded skin. That folded beef.
It's like a salad. I don't even know what to think of this.
Okay.
Well, bottoms up. It feels very meat forward.
yeah.
Is this for people who like just don't like bread?
I mean, in a way, it's sort of holding the toppings in, but also not.
Yeah. No more than a normal Big Mac, I think.
What's going on here?
I don't hate it though. I won't ever make it again. But like, I can appreciate it. I still prefer a bun. But I'll eat this whole thing.
Yeah, it's hard to hate it because it's still a
Big
delicious
Mac.
Big Mac.
Yeah.
What am I gonna say? Ew.
Yeah.
Never.
This feels like one of those like BuzzFeedy recipes.
Yep. What you making?
Mochi donut.
Mochi donuts.
Yeah, I'm really excited. It's from the submersivetable.com. And they just looked really good and simple.
Very simple.
And I love mochi.
Okay.
I
I just walked into a puff of flour.
Okay, so now we need to combine the wet ingredients. Whew.
Yeah, that's very puffy.
Yeah. If it's not sticky enough.
How's your dough?
I don't know.
Is it too dry?
It feels like it might be too dry and there's still stuff in there. But maybe it's not. Maybe I just need to, because like parts of it feel sticky.
Oh, you know what might be making a difference?
What?
The liquid content between the eggs.
Oh, maybe. Yeah.
Because she said one large egg.
Yeah,
so
that's
maybe
fair.
we could have added a little bit more water.
Maybe.
So you could like just splash.
Yeah, do a
Splish,
little splash. But it is coming together now. I'm gonna
Okay, that's good.
add more of the dry into it now. It really doesn't look like mochi when there's flax in it.
Yeah. Like any other
Yeah.
vegan dough. They look great.
Me too. I'm excited to
Good
eat
job. I feel like I did nothing.
them. You can fry them.
No. Let me get this oil heating up for you.
Yeah. So we need to like make sure it's not. We want to make sure it's floating.
Float.
I think eventually it'll float up. Yeah, here it comes.
Yay. One down, a dozen to go. Not quite. But that's just what they say in the biz. In the biz. And so we'll let it cool a little bit and then it gets dunked in the coconut, condensed coconut.
Yeah, sweetened condensed milk.
That's what I said. Here's our donuts.
Some sweetened condensed milk. Coconut.
Adorable.
They do look like just little glazed donuts.
Yeah.
So fun.
What a contrast to the Big Mac.
Ready to eat a mochi donut?
Yeah. Cheers. Mmm.
That's so fun.
Mhm.
I love it. So airy.
Yeah, nice and light. You got like the chewiness of mochi and the crispiness of like a nice fried donut.
It's so good. Wow. Sweet. I love this.
This was a good TikTok.
I would buy this. Wow, these are great.
Okay, now we just gotta bake some oats.
I'm gonna go downhill from here.
Look, I got it almost ready.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you. We really just blend a bunch of stuff up.
Yeah. Alright. So we need add all ingredients except chocolate to a blender and blend until smooth. Cool. 2/3 cup of oats. Staff.
We're making breakfast now. This is what people are doing for breakfast, right?
Yeah.
Instead of cooking your oats, instead of overnighting your oats, we are now baking our oats.
Which feels longer than all of those other alternatives. Boop. Yeah, the whole thing.
Can
About
you
a
imagine?
teaspoon.
Can you imagine?
Doesn't vanilla have like a little bit of alcohol in it?
Yes. It's the second ingredient, actually.
Oh, really?
Woo!
We need a tablespoon of maple syrup.
It's not open. The recipe says cashew butter or almond or peanut.
Yeah. She uses cashew, but I
Bless
don't
you.
have cashew butter.
So we are doing 2 tablespoons of peanut butter.
How much maple syrup? A tablespoon. Should I just guess?
Yeah. I think that's what we're doing. Eggs are right here.
Thank you,
2 flax eggs. We veganized this.
Yeah, this had regular eggs, which I don't know why it feels gross to me.
Ew. You never bake eggs with oats?
I don't know. It's just weird to me.
It's literally all bacon.
I know,
What is going
and
on?
it's a cake. We're just making a fucking cake.
Ooh.
I think that's on. We'll find out. Like that?
Yeah.
I mean, hers were so much bigger, so.
Her dishes?
Yeah.
I just feel like we
Oh.
don't need that much.
Yeah, and it worked out. Like, there's still some in here, but it's a lot of freaking chocolate.
Well, you don't have to use it all.
Oh, I don't? Okay, and then bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Shorter if you prefer gooey consistency, longer if you prefer more cake-like.
Gooey.
What do we prefer?
I don't want it gooey.
So do we want to go with the exact 20 to 5 minutes? Because she said less if we want it gooey.
22 minutes.
22 minutes, okay. All right, our final TikTok recipe, and it's the one we're most unsure about. Because it feels like a trick.
Banana bread. Made with oat flour. That you underbake. And call it baked oats. It's mushy. I don't want to eat it.
Oh, it is mushy.
I dropped it. Is it literally just underbaked banana bread?
It's like banana bread pudding, but not like the good kind.
I can really taste the peanut butter too.
Mm-hmm. I don't know. It's not enjoyable to me. Why are people eating this? Just eat like chia pudding. It's so much better. It's fine.
No, it's not.
Devin's really mad at this one. She's throwing it all over the place. I would never make this again. Also, like, if you're gonna make something like this, do it in the microwave.
A mug cake!
Why are you waiting 25 minutes?
This is also an underbaked mug cake that you put in the oven instead of the microwave. Seriously, if we just baked it longer, it's just gonna be a muffin. Which, hey.
Muffin!
No one's talking about single serve muffins,
yeah.
are they? We've got single serve cookies.
I mean, to be honest, if I want a single serve muffin, like 25 minutes is a long time to wait for one muffin. Cookies take 12 minutes, max.
Calm down. This one is not passing the test.
Like, I don't hate it, but I would never make it again.
I don't hate it. I just never want to see it again in my life. What a ride.
What was your favorite TikTok?
Oh, maybe the donuts.
Yeah, definitely the mochi donuts.
But surprised by the Big Mac wrap.
Yeah.
Because it's still a Big Mac. It's still
It's
delicious.
still gonna be delicious, yeah. This
I don't know what this is. I don't
this
know.
is a fraud.
In the comments, tell us which one you liked.
Which one you would try?
And suggest other TikTok recipes that you've seen that you're skeptical of, that you celebrate, and
You celebrate. I celebrate this TikTok.
if it's a really good one,
Yeah, I guess so, yeah.
that's all, really.
And that's all, folks.
Subscribe, comment, share it,
Whatever the Looney Tunes song is.
and
That's all, folks.
us. Look out for TikTok. That's what it does to you.
Proceed with caution when you're
Yeah.
on TikTok.
That's correct.
Be skeptical.
Do you like TikTok?
We're waiting.
I would say next time air fry it.
Ooh, yeah. Or put it in a waffle maker.
You're just gonna make a waffle.
Yeah. What's wrong with that?
I don't know what's right here.
And then you can take it on the go because you can hold it.